Hello guys, welcome back extended video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram related 3 problem. Instagram not opening, Instagram not working and crash app. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your setting and from here you tap on Wi-Fi. And from here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection and turn off this toggle, and after a few minutes you have again turn on, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back to your home screen and open your Play Store and App Store and tap on this, and from here you search for this Instagram, tap on Instagram. From here you what you need to do it, tap on update, tap on this and wait a few seconds. After update your Instagram app and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your again setting. From here you scroll down and tap on apps, tap on this. From here you tap on apps management and search for this Instagram, tap on Instagram. From here you tap on storage usage, tap on this, and from here you clear cache and clear data, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on data usage, tap on this, and from here what you need to do is turn off port toggle, disable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi, and you have background data, you have turned on this toggle, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen, and after that open your setting. From here you tap on system setting, tap on this. From here you scroll down and tap on backup and reset, tap on this, and from here you again tap on reset phone. From here what you need to do is tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and tap on long press on Instagram and tap on uninstall, and after few minutes you have again install your Instagram, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.